I think it is very sad. I think the country actually has lost a lot because of this uncertainty created by the postponement of the elections. So I think it is Dato Sri Najib might as well use this opportunity, since we are already coming to the end of the Parliament's term on the 28th of April. He might as well, let Parliament bubar dengan sendirinya, let it be dissolved by itself on the 28th of April, and then have the elections here 2 weeks or so after that. And from now on, and he used this opportunity to, in his political transformation program, to change whatever laws that has to be changed, so that henceforth we will have fixed term government. That means 5 years. So there is certainty there. Or maybe election must be held only within 6 months from that end of 5-year term. It's better. Now, for example, because of this uncertainty created for last 1 year, I've heard a lot of investors who decided to come to our country, start postponing things until they are sure about the results of the election. And the politicians, have been doing nothing but just politicking for last 1 year or so, and government's money, have been spent not on projects which are really priority projects for the benefit of the people, but projects which benefits them politically, political projects, so to say. So overall, the country and the rakyat has lost a lot because of this uncertainty. So I would really strongly recommend that henceforth we should have fixed term governments, 5-year term. And more important, not only the politicians but also the business people also, kept on delaying various important decisions because of this uncertainty created.
It's going to actually make voters turn away from the Prime Minister?
No.
Disadvantage him?
I don't think so. I don't think it's because of that. No, that they'll turn away from the Prime Minister because of that. But the country really loses a lot. Now you see, everybody is politicking. Everybody, day and night, nothing else. Nobody is concentrating how to develop the country, how to develop the economy. Even though we have this Datu problem and so on, but still our mind is also on the election.
And how would you compare the strategy?
Okay, I would really urge the government use this opportunity to announce that henceforth, in Malaysia we are going to have fixed term governments. I think it'll be a very, very good decision. I'm sure it'll be welcomed by the whole rakyat, and I think it's a decision that will truly benefit Malaysia, benefit the future generations.
So how would you compare?
Even in Westminster, they are always improving things. Making things look better. I think this is allowing the government to call election suddenly and this and that. I don't think it's wise. I don't think it benefits the country, benefits the rakyat, benefits the economy and so on. So it's better to have fixed term governments henceforth.